I have a question for you. Is there really a standard food budget? Or maybe you are overspending with your food. So want to know a good budget tracking for food? Then this video might be just for you. So tune in. So hello there, I'm Ray by the way, and welcome to my channel where I'll talk about anything recreational and motivational about health. And if you might like my videos, please hit that like button and hit the subscribe button for many videos to come. Well, I know you have a lot of food preferences. We all have. And if you are participating in a diet where there is that goal you want to achieve, you might want to create a diet as a habit. And in turn, you create a system. And when this system is done right, it will create a constant, reliable, and economical cash outflow. So for example, I have this budget on November 6, 2020. As you can see, the budget sums up to 260 Philippine pesos. And as compared to November 10, I reached a 259 peso food budget. And as you can see, it approaches the same sum, almost the same actually. But if you have this kind of diet, your food budget will also be stabilized. Well, anyways, I will give you reasons on why dieting on a budget, I would say a more economical way of eating food rather than eating anything and getting you bigger. So let's go to number one. Why dieting is economical? It's because dieting is a habit. Right diets, if done properly, can create a habit of healthy eating. Well, as always, you start small and gradually you get used to it. It's like making it a normal thing. And one way of getting motivation from this is tracking your weight. That way, if you lose weight because you have that goal, you can feel more attaining. Always remember, if you don't get it on the first week or maybe a couple of weeks, make some changes, tweak it. Want to lose weight and you don't have that result, then you can reduce your calorie again. And with this diet, just remember to track your micronutrient intake as well, or incorporate greens in your meals. Number two reason on why dieting is economical is because dieting can be planned. Well, planning can assure you a path to take. There are no other best ways to take it otherwise. Taking just a few minutes to create a meal for tomorrow is just a small investment but creates great deal of impact to your goal. Number three reason is food prices vary per place. I know different locations can require different preparations, different combination, and unique sets of meals. And regards to this, my technique is for a week or two, I will take the time to canvas my foods. Trying things out each day, you may come up with something that is not appropriate, but in the end, it will piece up together. You will get used to it and everything will go flawless according to the plan you need. So number four reasons is that recipes can be tweaked with different flavors. Well, this is applicable to those people who cook their meals for an even more budget friendly. Well, some say this is boring because everything you do is you need to be constant. Well, the thing is, healthy recipes doesn't need to be the same. I mean, from point to point, it doesn't need to be exactly the same. After all, it's boring to eat the same thing every single day. Say for example, in a balanced diet, it is way easier to incorporate carbs than any other weight loss diet. So I have come up with these different types of pancakes. I have one is the moringa pancake made up of malunggay or moringa powder, high in calcium, magnesium, manganese, and more. And because of that, moringa is a superfood and it has a low amount of calorie at that. Next is the carrot pancake. Obviously, what you have it is the carrots. And I practically like those red accent, by the way. This pancake is boosted with beta-carotene, vitamin A, good for your eyes and for your skin as well. So if you want a good balance in your food or if you want to incorporate pancakes, this is the right one for you. This is a strawberry protein shake pancake. It is high in protein, more or less balanced because of the high amount of protein of the protein shake. It is perfect for balanced diets. And look at these food blocks. That is very near. And if you might not know, food blocks is what we call as the balanced diet. By balancing the blocks from the protein, the carb, and the fat, you create a balance in which way your insulin response is minimized. The food blocks indicates that your body consumes the right amount of protein, fat, and carbohydrate ratios. So with these pancakes, you can tweak it, flavor it you want to. Pancakes is very versatile for this. So anyways, take your diet to another level. Tracking can boost your diet, can boost your results, can also boost your nutrition, and can be very economical to you. Tracking can boost your diet, boost your nutrition, and come closer to your goal while being economical in the process. So anyways, this is all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you like my videos, and don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button for our many videos to come. As always, eat better, track them better, and be better. This is Ray signing off.